listen, boy. A girl who trades on all that purity merely wants to trade my independence for her security. The only affirmative she will find refers to marching down the aisle. No,
You guys enjoyed that dance. I'll be releasing a tutorial for it in just a couple days from when this video is released. I wanted to tell you about my shirt and the song. So this shirt is The Music Woman. And what is so special about that is that the cover artist of this song, Brittany, she is probably one of the most talented people I've ever had the pleasure of working with. We collabed on that Olaf's Frozen Adventure song that I released on this channel back in December. If you haven't checked it out yet, I will link it below. And I was like, we should collab again, because I saw, and I knew this already, but I guess like I saw it again, she's doing an entire one-woman show of The Music Man. So I will have her info down below, her YouTube page, and everything you need. Please follow her, subscribe to her, and check out this one-woman show of The Music Man. It's currently in the works, and everything she's put out for it so far has been incredible. Again, just one of the most talented people I've ever worked with, and if you like musical theater, you will love her. So I just wanted to give a major shout out because I just love working with other artists, and she's probably one of the best people I've ever worked with. So definitely check out her stuff, check out The Music Woman, and look forward to this tutorial coming out on Saturday. And don't forget, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the Tap fam. I've got tap dance videos like this featuring music by incredible artists, but also I've got choreography tutorials, which for this one again, Saturday, technique exercises, step tutorials, challenges, vlogs, you name it, I've got it. It's your free tap dance resource right here on YouTube, so subscribe and get all the tap class you want for free. I release new videos multiple times a week, so you're always gonna have something tappy to do. So yeah, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and one last time, subscribe to Brittany's channel because you will not regret it, I promise. As always, thank you for dancing with me.